Hi everyone, today we'll see market analysis how it behaved on 5th March and plan for the 6th March. So if you see market yesterday we have seen a semantic triangle pattern exactly with the same pattern. Market opened a gap down. So first candle tried to cover the it formed a very big candle which is indecisive because we cannot keep that much stop loss here. So this is a very big SL if we keep on a lower side. So we have waited for next thing. So we got a one more pullback. If you see this pullback and then M pattern breakout. So this is called the entry points where we have entered and we captured exactly here, and we came out of the trade because very good support where we have it here in a good breakout. So same thing happened today. After that, slow and steadily market formed a W pattern. If you see, this is called a W pattern breakout. After giving a breakout, it formed a retest also here. So see this retest. So after giving a retest, slow and steadily, might be most of the people waited to buy after this breakout of a slow candle, but movement was very fast because many people SLs will be here. So it given a very straight momentum. So what happening is, so yesterday also we got a very big candle. After that entire day went to range bound. Today also we got a very big candle and entire day in a range bound. So this is very little bit tricky in this type of markets. So we have to be cautious of our SLs related to this. So coming to Bank Nifty, how it formed is Bank Nifty was little positive compared to Nifty. So morning entire day it was in a range bound. Once the given a range bound market, this is called a breakout candle. After that given a one candle momentum, and next day it went into a range bound momentum. So if you see in the 5 minutes, we have a flag and pole pattern. So this is called a flag and pole pattern. So if market opens on a gap of slow and steadily, if this breaks the zone, then we can expect next 200 points on a upside, 47,850, and then next levels. So if not, we have to see if opens on a gap down. Until this breaks, we cannot go for a short because multiple times it taken a support here. So let us see a longer time frame how it is manageable to do a support and resistance. See here, slow and steadily the market is filling the gap in Bank Nifty. So all time high is nearby 48,000. So it's near 400 to 500 points range to fill the all time high gap. So similarly, if so this is our support and resistance lines. If tomorrow it breaks our existing supports, so let me draw one of the support lines here. So let me, this is one of the support lines. So let us see, sorry, resistance lines. Okay, let us see in the Nifty how because here still market is forming a higher highs, so we don't have a clear view here. So let me remove these drawings which makes more confusion. So let me draw this. It helps us to make more clear picture. Okay. Okay, here a very long wick here today. It formed around 120, 130 points down to the negative momentum, and again it given a good spike to upside momentum. So still expecting some more momentum because last time if you see, if at a higher highs, if market forms in higher highs, again immediately we have seen a downside fall. So here also I was expected some downside fall, but it didn't closed in a negative way. Bit filmed a doji, little doji, but strong lower price rejection. So let us come to 15 minutes on the same thing. If you see 15 minutes pattern, it formed a cup and handle, a little cup and handle pattern. See, so if this breaks, then we can expect the trend reversal pattern. If low breaks, then we can go for a downside. Until that, it will be a indecisive format. Okay, so let us see if market opens on a flat note and breaks the zone of 22,420, then only we can go for a 460 and then 500. If it we can draw a one more so this is one of the trend line also. So two times it has been touched. If market opens on a flat note directly, if it opens on a gap down, then it will be a strong support. If this breaks, then we can go for a downside with around 22,180, and then 22,120 will be the lower side targets where we have a good retest and then breakout pattern. So we can expect that we can take a support here. If this breaks, then we'll go for a downside. So sharp falling will be a very sharp fall, but market is not ready to fall because today also it given a fall, but immediately it given recovered with a W pattern. You see how nicely it has been recovered. So this is how and also today this fall is related to IT. So IT given a fall more than 600 points, due to which we have seen a Nifty. Otherwise it will move more than 100 and 150 points upside related to the Bank Nifty. Banks are very strong today. So see, this is the 15 minutes pattern. Once it is broken and market given a one sided momentum, so flag and pole pattern. So if it is at 300, if this breaks, we can expect upside 300 points, around 47,800, and then 48 48,000 will be our next targets. Downside will be the taking a support around 47,660, sorry, 366. So if this breaks until 47,200 breaks, we cannot go for a short position, because multiple times it has been taken as support on a downside. So let us expect some upside momentum or a range bound until this 47,200 breaks. Market will be in a positive side or else a premium decay side. Let us see how CPR behaves. CPR is little narrow today, so we don't have a much a longer side direction. See below CPR, it market open, which indicates some negative sign. After that, market try to cope up and stays above the CPR. Once it is stayed above the CPR, market given a one-sided momentum, and CPR touched R2. After that, taken a reversal and closed in between R1 and R2, which indicates some support here. So CPR is in a positive direction. So we don't have, I mean, if you see R1 and S1, the length between the support and resistance is very narrow. So market is not in a big giving a big momentum. If these ranges are different, then we can expect some momentum, but ranges are very small, which can be indicated as a small momentums on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you see Nifty taken a retest exactly, sorry, resistance exactly at CPR and taken a reversal. So this CPR is acted as a very strong resistance. So this we have a order blocks also placed here. So if market closes above 22,430, until that we cannot go for a long. If this breaks, then we can go for a 460, and then 500 will be upside targets. If downside the semantic triangle breaks, then we can see strong support around 22,200 will be our next supports. Let us see our price action indicators, how it behaved today. So coming to Nifty. So Nifty here, let it open. Yesterday we have a sell signal around 315. So it's not getting popped up. It's loading. Yeah. So around 315 we got a sell signal. So today market it tried to retest. So moving averages. Market then closed above the moving averages, which indicates it is taking a resistance. Once this is broken, we got this. So after that, market given a crossover here and buying option here. After that, it didn't closed below this. Until this will act as a very strong support, and also SLs will be there. If market opens on a gap down, so many SLs will be hit here or here, then we can see a big red candles on a downside. So here we got a buy signal after getting a crossover, which indicates a good side. After that, again we got a sell signal. Here this is around 150. So but still market crossover is after that. So this sell signal can be ignored because we didn't get a crossover of moving averages. After that we got a crossover, so which indicates this signal or a sell signal can be ignored. Let us see in a Bank Nifty. We got a buying signal here, we got a sell signal here. So it taken a support at a day low. So after that we got a buy signal, taken a retest and given a one-sided momentum. So this is crossover as well as buy signal, so which indicates a good momentum. Again we got a buy momentum here. Oh, come on. Yeah, here we got a buying momentum, which indicates crossover as well the momentum. Crossover is related to sell but not a buy. Okay, exactly. Here also we got a sell signal, but there is no crossover. Let us see tomorrow how it will behaves. Okay, and so tomorrow's plan is only 15 minutes range breaks either side, then we can see a good momentum, and also weekly expiry, right? We can see a momentum because past 2 days we have seen a range bound momentum. Thank you. Please do so subscribe. It will help for me to motivate and do more videos like this. Thank you.